It's recording. Okay. Quite excited. Okay. Guys, do you see this look? This whole face is blended, okay? Hey guys, and welcome back to Madeline's Avenue. If this is your first time, welcome. My name is Madeline. And if you what did I just say? If this is your first time, welcome. My name is Madeline. Do not forget to hit that subscribe button because you clicked on this video for a reason, so you're sort of here to stay. Like, do you get? Be a part of the fam, okay? And if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back, guys. So today's video is definitely a makeup video, and since we're in the month of November, guys, I cannot believe that the color series is almost over. Like January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November. Like, that's how many colors, 11 different colors I have done on my face. Like, I feel like that's like a lot even for me because I mostly do brown, like nude makeup. But I mean, we have to experience and explore and just express ourselves. But yeah, so this look is what I'm giving you guys today. If you'd like to see how I achieved this all black look, well, not fully all black, but you get the drift because it is black. Yeah. Keep on watching this video. Do not forget to subscribe. I will put the product details that I use in this video in the link below. Since this is not a talk through, like a tutorial, I do not really show you guys all the products that I used, but I will do that and put that in the description box below. So do check the description box out if you want some of these products I'm using on my face. And yeah, let us get on with the video. Why did I just hit myself? Guys, I feel like this is the neatest cut crease I have ever done. Like, this is too neat. Okay, back to more music and just makeup. So guys, this is the finished look. Thank you guys so much for watching this. If you watched it all the way to the end, whew, that took a lot in me actually. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this. If you watched it all the way to the end, do not forget to subscribe to my channel if you like my content. Share this video, like this video, leave your comments on what you think about this look. I feel like I did a pretty good job, especially for black, because I think black is like not everyone's favorite color to go to when doing makeup. But yeah, let me know what you guys think. Please share this video, like it, subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed, and yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys. Mwah.